G'day, I'm Scott Mitchell from Mitchell's Realty in Hervey Bay. We're here today at a great property, 60 Seafarer Drive in the popular Bayside suburb of Riverheads. This property does offer a number of opportunities, so let's go and take a look around. Enviably set in the highly sought after location of Turtle Cove at Riverheads, only minutes away from the gateway to World Heritage listed Gari or Fraser Island and the Riverheads boat ramp and pontoon, accessing the Great Sandy Straits, which is a fishing, prawning and crabbing paradise. You also had the convenience that comes with being approximately 15 minutes easy drive to the thriving heart of the Hervey Bay CBD, Esplanade Beach and Marina. The seller has already obtained council and local authority approvals for a development application to subdivide this property into 2 separate lots, allowing the buyer to either maintain the rear block for a second dwelling or complete the subdivision and sell the rear lot to realise the potential capital growth. This sound brick and tile home was built in 1994 and has been well maintained and tastefully refurbished over time. The expansive open plan living area, which includes the kitchen, dining and lounge, really does form the heart of this home. Coupled with large windows and neutral colour tones, these are open and connected spaces that allow light and air to fill this home naturally. This home has been positioned with a coveted northeast aspect to capture the prevailing sea breezes, so staying cool over the warmer summer months is as simple as opening the windows and doors. To the front of this home and under the main roof there is a large veranda. This is where you'll be able to sit down and enjoy your cup of coffee with the morning's first rays of light, or the changing light across the Sandy Straits towards Gari in the afternoon. Indulge more than your taste sensation in the kitchen and let your eyes take in the proportion, layout and convenience here, with plenty of bench and storage space. Quality appliances include a 4-burner electric hot plate, wall oven and a dishwasher, ideal for everyday cooking as well as those gatherings with family and friends. Privacy is also a key feature of this home, with all 3 bedrooms thoughtfully placed away from the main entertaining zone. All 3 bedrooms do include ceiling fans and built-in wardrobes. The main bedroom includes a walk-through wardrobe to the lavish ensuite with floor-to-ceiling tiles, shower with both a rain dump and handheld rain head, a vanity and a toilet. The bathroom includes a luxurious bath and shower plus vanity, and you have a separate toilet. Those looking to accommodate a number of vehicles will appreciate the large double garage with remote roller doors. There is also clear side access through to the fantastic 12 by 6 metre shed with 2 access doors. This property also offers ample side access and room to accommodate large RVs, caravans and boats. The seller is not testing the market and has already committed to purchasing another property and is calling for an immediate sale. So here's your opportunity. Call me now. Scott Mitchell from Mitchell's Realty. You'll only be disappointed if you miss this one.